Oga senior man Enzo Maresca, Oga Lampard talk say you go shock all of us, and you don't shock all of us. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, my boy. Lampard na senior man now. He sabi wetin dey sup.
It's like your superpower na to dey deceive people say na you be the underdog.
My brother, make them dey think wetin dem wan think. My job na to carry trophies.
But I take do am. PSG don injure some big clubs like Inter Milan and Madrid, but na he can't disgrace them.
Kubala, no dey ask me more question, Joe. You know say this man na superior tactician. Na him go give us our next Premier League trophy and Champions League.
I go try my best.
Congratulations, my guy. Because of you, we don't dey get our pride back.
Oga Lampard, I know say you go really enjoy the match.
I dey mad no enjoy am. Of course na. Maresca, share them talk say Vitinha and Neves go control midfield.
Na wetin dem talk o.
I no even see them for the match. Caicedo and your namesake just pocket them. Palmer come dey run them street.
Oga Maresca, wetin be your next agenda for the club now?
Premier League and Champions League.
I swear Arsenal no go hear word this season. Senior man, how you even take convince them to buy Madueke?
I no convince anybody o. The thing shock me sef. I been dey think of how to offload the guy.
Na God go bless Ateta.
Hello?
Maresca don chop my money o.
Shey na you go dey talk say Club World Cup na Champions League part 2. I warn you na.
Guy, this one catch me off guard, I swear.
Me myself I shock.
3-0 for first half.
3-0 full time. PSG no even score one goal. People wey dey bust net up and down. From now, when Lampard talk something, I go consider am.
Na lucky prediction.
No be the same lucky prediction you take predict say PSG go win Inter.
No, that one na future I see.
This one nko, wetin you see? Past? You no get sense or?
No insult me o.
No na, since you don start dey say things, abi you take something?
Get out abeg.
Hello? You don cut call? Momo think say because he predict Champions League winner, he fit predict anything.
Water don pass garri o. I need to make smart move before this player sideline me. Abi make I follow Nyoni comot. Estevao enter. Nyoni comot. He no even waste time. Me I still dey here. Abeg I dey go talk to Koji.
Exactly how you dey play now. Na how I want make you dey play. Skillful number 9 wey dey hustle ball score goal. If you score half of the goals wey Jackson dey miss, na you go dey start match for us.
Koji, I no fit suffer for this club finish. This boy go just come bench me.
You knock before you enter?
Koji, I dey para. You no even put me as sub for finals wey we dey win 3-0. E no fair now.
You no knock enter my office. You come dey challenge my decision.
Koji, this thing wey you dey do no good now. You just dey replace us with Brazilians. Madueke don vex comot. I go follow am comot too.
Comot now?
So na so you wan do us after everything wey we do for you?
Wetin you do?
I score 10 goals for Premier League o.
After you miss 215 chances na?
Koji, the ones wey I miss no matter now.
If to say you score half of those chances, una for carry Premier League now.
Bros, no be me and you dey follow talk o. I go unleash that frustration wey dey my body on top your head. So make I score half. That is 100 goals. You dey mad me?
You dey threa ten my future number 9? Oya kneel down.
For wetin, sir? You carry jazz for mouth? You dey bench me, still wan punish me for here?
Jackson, I say kneel down.
Koji, I go comot for this club. I no wan pray for you again.
Before you comot, kneel down first.
Because of why? I don comot John.
Jackson, I swear this boy no go like me for this club.
Koji hi, why him go sign Madueke? Of all the players wey dey market, Man City buy Cheki, Man U wan buy Mbuemo, Chelsea buy Estevao, young hot Brazilian. We come dey buy Madueke, Chelsea waste product.
My brother, the thing tire me. People think say I be waste. Now when I bend Saka, their eyes go clear. Saka, I dey come for you.